All right, everyone. Frank bringing that positive stuff, bringing it to you today. It's a Saturday. It's a holiday weekend. All right, let's make it happen. Now, here's the thing. We're talking about making money online, making money from home. Are a lot of people doing it? What do you think? So are you going to be one of the people that actually get in the online space, or are you going to let this opportunity pass you over? Let's look at some statistics and see how many people out in the country are doing online something. Here we go. All right, let's look at this. An estimated 27 million Americans, roughly 14% of the working population, make money online as a content creator. Of this group, 44% of them, 11.6 million, treat it as a full-time job. So 14% of the people in the country, you line up 100 people, 14 of them are content creators. Out of the 14%, almost half of them are full-time making money as a content creator. Why 32% work part-time. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok dominate the creator economy. It is projected to reach a $500 billion globally. Now look at this. Work from home relates to 26.6% of the U.S. workers. They work from home and multitasking. Now watch this. Your YouTube creator stats. Audience reach 33% of the U.S., which is really, really good. Revenue model. Creators earn 55% of the shares of the ads. So 55% of the ads are coming back to the creators, people that are actually out here doing the talk. Market impact. TikTok Shop reaches a $15.82 billion in sales, 108% growth year over year. So TikTok Shop is another place that you can, you get monetized on TikTok. You get so many things, and then you can actually start doing that. But there's so many ways that you can actually make money online. It does say the 1% rule that a tiny fraction become monetized. So, you do. One of the things is if you're going to do this, you do have to post. You do have to post. You do have to post. You have to create content. You have to be a part of it. They talk about, let's do it right now. They talk about a 2-hour workday. So for 2 hours, can you work 2 hours a day to do this? Now, the 2-hour thing, you could do an hour in the morning, you could do an hour in the evening. Now, for me, I'm a full-time insurance agent. I've been doing insurance for years, Monday through Friday. I'm super, super busy. I can't do any of this stuff until like after 8 o'clock at night. 8 o'clock to midnight is my segment. And the weekends. You're off on the weekends, so on the weekends, like right now it's the weekend, I'm not doing this at 8 o'clock at night because it's the weekend. Okay, but again, to do this, you have to decide, do you have the 2 hours? Can you put the 2 hours in? 2 hours at night or an hour and an hour? The one girl that I've been watching, she started her YouTube channel and her TikTok channel on the break of her car on lunch. She was a nurse, and for lunch, for 30 minutes, she would be posting TikToks and stuff. So, one, you got to decide, do you want to be a part of this? This video today is going to show you that how there's so many people making money online. 14% of the people are doing this currently right this second. The other part is what type of service do you want to offer? Do you want to do digital marketing? Do you want to do affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is real simple. Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, all these companies have affiliate marketing. You refer them with your link, and then you're going to get a small commission and stuff like that. Digital marketing is things that you can't touch and stuff. Let's go back over to check out some more stats. All right, right here, I think this is important. So one of the things that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to educate yourself. Well, right here, I'm inside the TikTok Creator Academy. And again, my part is I'm a beginner on this, so I have a lot of beginners that are going to be beginning with me. But look at all these things that TikTok has. Utilize your creator search insight to boost your search volume. Learn how TikTok evaluates content creation. Introduce, this one I thought was good. Create well-crafted content with CapCut. Now, I'm going to click this real quick.
You want to up your views and engagement, but you don't have the editing experience. Don't worry. You don't need to be a pro editor to make your content stand out. You just need CapCut. Hey, I'm Greg.
Now, the point of all this is there is enough training programs out there. If you were to start a new job, you would get a manual. You would get some kind of a website. You would get something that when you're starting your new job that you would have to basically do. Well, guess what? There's all these videos here. Let's take a look at this over here. Using analytics tool to improve your video performance. I click it right here.
Here are 4 ways you can use analytics to optimize your reach.
Number 1, Use the Viewers tab to figure out the best time to post. Check out this graph to see the days and times when your audience is most active. We suggest posting on the most active days of the week and 2 hours before your peak activity.
So my point here, boys and girls, guess what? Everything that you need is here. You're just going to have to spend the time to actually do it. Is it worth it for you to break out of this? You get paid on Friday, 2 weeks later, the first minute you get paid, you don't even have enough money to make it to the next day because all the money is taken. My point on all this is there's things that can help you train and teach you how to do this. Also, there's like the Freedom Builder Circle here. This gentleman right here, he has a free thing that you can actually join. I've actually joined his classroom. Let's go back here. They have all kinds of things to do. You know, tell my story, branding things. I'm actually thinking about doing the Legacy Builder program. I may end up signing up through him. He's got these nice trainings and stuff like that. He's got some upsells in here, which is absolutely fine because he's going to teach you how to do different things and stuff like that. But again, educating yourself is one of these things you're going to have to do. Are you willing to go back to school? Are you willing to learn a new trade? TikTok, AI. Oh, by the way, everybody, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put something down in the bottom. Ask any questions. You know, be a part of things and stuff like that. So again, don't forget to like. But is it worth it to you? Is it worth it to you to learn a new trade? I'm going to be on the weekend. I'm going to put my 2 hours in today. Some of the 2 hours is actually when you're sitting there in the car. Let's say you're a passenger in the seat and you're on your TikTok and you're reading something or you're watching a video. With the way the world is today, as fast-paced as it is, you can do this. All I know is a ton of people are doing it, and with the uncertainty out there with the job market and everything else, it's going to be kind of hard out there to, you know, do different things. But the online space is blowing up, you know. So do you want to be part of the online space? Let me know. All right, right here, right this one, driving traffic search. So you click it.
Here are our top 3 tips for optimizing your videos for search. The search feature selects videos that are most relevant to what users are searching for. So the first thing you need to do is align your content with what your audience is actually searching for. And Creator Search Insights can make that easier. We recommend using the Content Gap tab to discover topics that have lots of searches, but not a lot of high-quality videos yet. Number 2, make sure the theme of your video is super clear.
So what's the moral of the story here, everybody? You can do it. The moral of the story, you have to figure out what you want to do. TikTok Shop is a great opportunity, posting. I was watching a guy the other day, and he was saying that he was showing on his phone that because he does so many lives and stuff, he makes between $20 to $30 a day doing lives, just kind of talking and introducing his audience and doing everything. But he showed on his phone, $30 times 30 days is like $900. So he's getting paid an extra $900 just doing lives and stuff. Is that worth it to you, everybody? I think it is. All right, so as always, Frank, bring in some positive stuff. And remember, I always bring the positive affirmation stuff. So you can do it. If you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. Either way, you're right. I think you should talk to yourself in the morning and talk a positive to yourself. Read positive things, read positive podcast, you know, get a positive podcast that you're in. So with all that being said, I'll see you on the next one. And also, I just did that Run River. That was actually pretty good, kind of making it happen. All right, everybody. See you on the next one.